Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and today we're going to take you on a tour of the Murray Creek Subdivision, the private beach access, and the lot that's currently for sale. We'll start off by taking you on a tour of this completely private beach and Payette River access, exclusively for the Murray Creek neighborhood. This is a great place to put in your raft or kayak. There are several super sweet fishing spots and a calm area just to hang out for the day. All of this is just 1 hour from Boise. Now let's go check out that land. We get to the lot by entering the gated access, goes to a private road that's maintained by the community year-round. In addition to a community gate, the driveway is also gated. In this video, I would like to show you that the lot has 4 level building areas, 2 up top and 2 towards the bottom. Going to the 3rd and 4th cleared out areas, you're going to go down this trail. With all the road frontage that this lot has, it's completely possible to have a second driveway that goes up to the 2nd level cleared area of the lot. So thanks for touring Upper Murray Creek Road in the Murray Creek Subdivision. You've seen the private beach access and the private river access and had a full tour of the lot. So if you like this property, then like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We post new videos every week.